Hello, Super Tech Buzz. Some more new earbuds in. This is the all-new Creative Outlier Pro, true wireless, sweat-proof in-ears with active noise cancelling, Super XFI ready. And on the back, you've active noise cancelling, ambient mode, 40 hours playtime, 15 hours per charge. You've got 5.2 Bluetooth, 8 AC, 6 mics, wireless charging, graphene coated drivers, touch controls, IPX5, and works with Google Siri Assistant. And that's what's inside, which we're going to have a look at. And don't forget you have an Apple, Android and iOS and the SXFI app, which is super cool. Right, let's have a look. So, I'm liking the colour straight away. It's a nice kind of bronzy colour. So, you've got charge before, first time parents, step 1 and 2, your typical setup for your earbuds. Let's have a closer look. Right, out you get. So they are the big earbuds to start off with. So in here you get your usual books and stuff, and you will get your cable and your extra tips. So that's all that in there. So that will sit in there. And first up is the case. So you've got your charging stats here. You've got left and right, USB-C port, Super XM5 ready. So these will sit down like that and you can wirelessly charge, and these should pop out here like so, and that's what it looks like there. Here is the earbuds. They are on the large side, as you can see, which is fine. And that's pretty much it. You've got left and right, and you've got your contact points there and your microphones as well, as you can see. And that's pretty much it. And you've got a touch sensitive area here. They're not clicky buttons, and that's where you will control your music. So that's the profile of them anyway, and that's what they're going to look like. So let's pop them in. So you've got some LEDs there, as you can see. All well and good. We'll close it up, and you can see the LEDs on the side here as well. So let's take them off, test them out and see what happens, and we'll be back after the break with a full review. Hello, Super Tech Buzz, back with the Creative Outlier Pro review. We've been using these for a bit now and we're going to talk about them. So what we've got here is a pair of earbuds which are affordable, have got ANC, ambient noise, super audio. So you've got a theatre experience, a centralised experience like wearing headphones. Like, for example, with the app, you can use the SFI app for that real immersive feel, like the Zen hybrid headphones we did last time around, if you remember, which was just a couple of weeks ago. But these earbuds have a big profile, 6 mics, IPX5, AAC codec, no aptX. So you've got your 60 hours of playtime, which is pretty good. You have bigger earbuds here with the profile, so you're going to get longer time. And you've got your touch controls, you've graphene coated drivers and Bluetooth 5.2, and you've got your voice assistant as well. And of course you've got your case here. I love this colour actually, and wireless charging, which we'll show you in a minute on the case there. So how they sound is brilliant really when you've got these options at hand with our 2 apps. Like I mentioned there, there's 2 apps we're going to have a look, and you can get really optimal audio experience from these, as I expected anyway, from the brand. And they've been very consistent with their goods over the last couple of earbuds and headphones we tested from them. So let's get into the app, the first app anyway. So in here you have got, you can see there, so up here you can turn on your latency. So you have that there, you can change your name, so you can turn on your latency mode there as well, so that will reduce the lag. So with audio anyway in particular, there's no lag latency, but with gaming you can kind of get that as well. But it's been fine with these, which is pretty good. So you got your onboard equalizer, your noise control, so you can adjust your noise cancelling and your ambient mode. But yeah, ANC isn't the best in the world, but full volume they're good. So you got your ambient off and noise cancelling there, and you can drag the sliders, and you can pick which suit yourself. Customize your buttons in here. So you've got your left and right. Again, you can customize these to do what you like, and they work really quick and well. So there's a triple tap for the voice assistant, like so, and your volume down and your volume up. play and pause and noise control, so it all works really well. So with the noise control in here, you can change as well. Like, they're all individually customizable, which is a good thing, and that's what you're going to have in the app there. But the thing is, because it's such a big area to touch here, they work really quick, and it's not hard to miss them, and you should get it every time, which is good. So I like that kind of aspect to it there. You can see your battery status here, in here. So that's what it's going to look like there, and you can forget and disconnect all that kind of stuff in here as well, which is pretty good, and that's what you're going to have. So next up, we're going to look at the SXFY app, and in here you have got all your options, personalize, and you have got your equalizer in here, and your button here to turn on the app itself. You can drag these sliders here like so, and in the custom EQ you have got pop, game, flat, classical and cinema. Your volume control there as well, and you've got skip and reverse, play and pause. And again, you can drag these or just pick one of these, and automatically you can see there what's going to happen there. And nobody likes a flat noise, so it's cinema I kind of like. And you can up your bass and treble like so, which is good. You can see your device name up on the top corner there, and when you tap that there, it'll switch on the app. So that's what that's going to look like there. Also, you have your account in here. You can do all that kind of stuff in there if you need be. I'm just going to open up the app again, and you can see how fast they connect there once you get over to, which is quite good. And in here is another option where you can slide, but if you pop in here, so you can see all the other options that you've got to change the sound, which is pretty good. So you've got your vocal, rock, R&B, pop, jazz, hip-hop, flat dance, county, classical, acoustic, footsteps, movies, music and gaming. And while I mentioned gaming there, you can see there is a latency mode to help you use these in gaming should you need to listen to it that way. You've got your sliders there again, same idea in here. Now you can use this on any player, but the SXFY app is only for the music, which will be pulled from your phone. So that's pretty much it. So overall, they're a pretty decent pair of earbuds. They're nice and loud. You've got your ANC. You've got customized sound options, and plenty of them, as you see in there. And overall, you can't really complain with the price. Really good earbuds. They are big, so that's something to consider as well. So they're not going to be for everybody, and that's what you're going to expect. Now, also as well, if you're not if you're new to these, you need to do head mapping as well, which will basically take a photograph of your front face, your left and right ear, which will give you that optimal audio experience all around. And that's the whole idea. Holographic is what they call it there. So that basically wraps it up for the Outlier Pro. Really excellent pair of earbuds for any kind of situation, be it gaming, movies, films, music, anything like that at all. You'll not be disappointed. And if you put on our wireless charger here, just make sure it's up and running. No lights coming on. There we go. And we'll pop it on, and you can see that it's charging. They're charging on the case there. So that's basically it for the Outlier Pro. Really nice. I like the design of the case as well. I love the colour, and again, how it's all complements each other with the colour of the earbuds too. Really nice job, and of course, expected from Creative. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Any more questions or you think I missed out on that, let me know. So everything is there that you need. You can't really go wrong. The lag latency options in there, which is good. And you've got all the other features too. You've got your Siri assistants you see in there. Your controls are simple to use. You can customise them. So you can't really go wrong. And they're about 90 quid at the time of posting, which isn't bad at all. So pick them up if you're looking for something new. But again, the size is going to be something for some people. And that's just how they are with the design. And that's it. But overall, great product. And we'll see you in the next video. And thanks for watching. And I'll talk to you then.